Want to reply to a comment on your Instagram story? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap your profile picture at the top of the screen to open your recent story. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view all comments and reactions on that story. Make sure to tap the "I" icon to see who viewed it. To reply to a comment, tap Reply next to the comment you want to respond to. Type your message in the text box and then tap Send. Your reply will go to the user's direct messages, keeping the conversation private. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a comment on your Instagram story. If this helped, tap like, comment if you use this feature often, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.